Hey everyone, due to recent confusion of chapter 236, I want to go over how Sukuna Ryomen was able to cut through Satoru Gojo's limitless technique. The first thing we have to do is explain how limitless actually works. So, when it is first shown against Jojo, the natural disaster curse, he's very unaware of how it works. Gojo tells him that it's not exactly stopping you from touching me, it's just that the closer you get to me, the slower you go. The best way to demonstrate this mathematically, before Gojo here, is through the use of an asymptote. So, y equals 1 over x. In this case of asymptotes, they always have a certain line they do not touch, or a certain value they do not touch. For a neutral asymptote, it would just be 0, where Gojo is here. If we were to zoom out and see the value of this line, it will never cross 0 whatsoever, even the one that goes up, or even the one that goes to the side. It will never cross 0. That is a demonstration of the limitless technique in a mathematical form. Now, we're going to try to speed run through the, display of how Sukuna is able to cut through limitless. So we're going to set up the other side of the barrier now. Y equals 1 over negative x. So we have two barriers. None of these lines ever cross any value of 0. And, usually when attacking a limitless technique, it's going to be repelled from the outside. You can't penetrate this barrier. So, what Sukuna thought to do from observing Makora was, why not spawn a cleave inside of the barrier, rather than, from the outside. So he's not focusing on Gojo's limitless. He's focusing on the space inside the limitless. So, x cuts right through limitless, cuts right through Gojo, or negative x. Or you could even do x equals 0, spawn it right in vertically, or you could do y equals 0, or you could do y equals 1, or you could do y equals negative 1, and it goes on and on. Now, you could actually use this to demonstrate how to intersect limitless with domain expansions. Now, domain expansions are usually defined by circles, so we do x squared plus y squared equals r squared. Yep, we'll add a slider there, and this circle here, you can spawn inside of limitless, but let's say we want to expand it. It still crosses the value of 0, and that's why it's able to counteract limitless. I hope this explains as much as it can.